pogi din. Lee Min Ho, di ba? Lee Min Ho.
Damn.
Baby, my baby.
Maganda po ba weekend? Yes, super.
Sobra! It's time to
Sobra.
run.
Descendants of the Sun.
Oh, I saw that.
Di ba si ano,
Si Song, di
Si
ba?
Go-
Song Joong-chi and
Joke
Song
lang.
Hye-kyo.
yung sa Goblin na guy?
Gong Yu.
The same?
No.
Sorry na.
Sorry na.
Sorry na, I know I'm
Hindi
not
pa kami
familiar.
masyadong ano.
Oh, baby. Hometown cha-cha-cha. I tried, tapos
Ako din.
na-stop ako.
Ako din.
Oo.
Pinanood ko before ako
But I love
pumasok.
Good
True
Boy.
Beauty. True Beauty ba?
True Beauty, yeah.
Is that a movie?
Series.
It's a movie,
Cha
right?
Eun-woo.
Si Chono.
Like,
Sa series.
Ay, hindi. Iba pala yung 100-pound beauty pala yun.
Iba yan.
pero parang same concept. Ganun.
Mm.
Pero yan, True Beauty. Napanood ko na dahil kay
Start
Chono.
up.
Start
Gusto mo
up!
kilala by
Start up!
name?
Nice din yung Namjoon.
It's okay not to be okay.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Of
God.
course, of
I love that
course.
kasi.
Of course.
Yes, sobra. And now,
Ang sexy
making
pa
it.
Yes.
Oh yeah!
And
Oh my
Joshua.
gosh!
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh, eh.
Baby.
Bro, she kept
Ang dami
doing
na,
the same time.
ang dami na nilang sinasuggest na
K-drama.
K-drama. How to note them all.
True Beauty, yes. Napanood namin True Beauty.
What's your favorite sports?
True beauty is in the
While you
eye
were
of the
sleeping.
beholder.
While-
While you were sleeping, did you watch? That's also
K-drama
so good.
yan?
Yeah, Lee Jong-suk.
Alam, hindi ko siya nakilala.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
That's also
Si
good.
mama ang nanood.
Daming good. Lovely Runner Byeon also.
Iniiwan ko kasi
Yeah,
lagi
I
si
heard
mama
that
sa
lyric is
bahay.
good.
Kaya nanonood lang siya palagi.
Ay.
Alchemy. Oh, wow. It's an origami.
Alchemy,
Wow,
good also.
I love that.
You're a cat person, right? Pero,
I have
She
both.
just fed 3 cats outside kanina
Yeah.
before entering.
I have both. But I feel like mas kaugali ko kasi yung cat.
You have big.
Oh, yeah, I have pigs. Don't start this conversation with me, right?
we ain't gonna end.
All my pets have
Oh,
Instagram
paper.
accounts.
Oo nga, nawala. Yes, guys, nawala yung isa kong earring na sa kabilang bag ko.
Pero
guys.
nakailang topic din before.
This is my dog.
Oh my gosh!
Blush?
This is Blush. Yes, it's Blush. She's a senior citizen.
Oh, wait?
Yes. But if old, why look baby?
Ganda mo.
Thank you.
Hindi ako nakapokus
Thank you.
kay Blush.
It's Blush and then...
I remember 2 cats nga sa story mo.
Oh!
Yes. And then these are my children, Doja Cat. I'm serious.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Legit? That was a joke?
Because my mom was like, what's the point of me having a girl cat if I'm not gonna name her Doja Cat? There's no point. And this is
No,
my
why?
this is
Fair
my son. He's my son. There,
Chill.
I give them such a hard time during Halloween.
Oh my God.
He's
So
so
cute!
so
Oh my God,
cute.
store.
Oh my gosh.
Ba't nagtatampo?
Pagod na siya.
Kasi pinag-costume ko.
That's so cute.
Kaya follow niyo yung mga account ng mga anak ni Alexa.
Ang aking mga anak.
Gusto ko yung nagtatrabaho pero nakikichismis din.
Kaya actually, nung nag-PBB ako before Ate Patch, sabi ko yun yung biggest fear ko na magkaroon ng task na papasok yung pets ko tapos bawal ko pansinin. Yun yung biggest fear ko talaga kasi sabi ko, sorry, talo na agad.
Twinkling watermelon. Ay, sorry.
Masarap yan.
Ito kay drama?
Watermelon.
So innocent pa.
Ayoko pa
Masarap
naman ng
yun.
watermelon.
Ay, actually, hindi din ako fan ng water.
Oh, really? I love
But if frozen siya,
it.
like super frozen, I like.
Twinkling watermelon anyway, that was so good.
Pero may mga sobrang sweet.
Yung story ng Twinkling Watermelon, ano? The girl can talk. The girl can talk.
What? And sa K-drama.
Yeah.
And then,
The girl can talk and then the guy is a musician sa band. And then, so, they made it work.
Nakapag-communicate pa rin
Yeah.
sila. Of course, kayang-kaya.
love
Yeah.
conquers all. I love
Anyway, you guys should
Hero.
watch. Ganda nun, iyak din kayo.
Anong
Fight for my
sports?
way.
Anong sports nyo daw?
Ako, I do scuba diving. Scuba free
Wow,
diving.
I'm so afraid of water.
Really?
As a
Should try it.
Pisces, I cannot swim.
Really love going to the beach.
No.
Really?
Beach or
I
mountain?
loathe it.
Whoa.
Mountain?
No, at home lang.
Kasi ma-mountain to.
Like you check?
Yeah, hiking, I love.
Slay. Wala bahay, taong bahay lang talaga.
What's your
You
favorite
should try.
sports? Do you like sports? No.
Not at all. Sports doesn't like me.
So you just gym.
No, but you're an online gamer.
Ah!
I tried.
Just
That's
because of,
something.
just because KD games. And I'm like, fine. Kasi
For you.
di siya nakakapag-text pag nag-game. Eh, di mag-game na lang din ako para magkasama pa rin tayo sa game.
Para sabay kayo.
Aww. Bro.
Pero hindi, nagkakapikunan din kami.
Dahil sa...
Pag, kunyari Call of Duty, tapos papasabugin niya ako. Hindi. Personal na to.
Yun.
But yeah, that phase is done. Kasi ang laki ng memory na kinakain ng Call of
Ng-
Duty sa phone.
Nagdalawang phone
Kaya dalawa.
Oo, nagdalawa siyang
Nagdalawang phone for COD.
sabi niya, wala tong SIM card yung isa.
Walang SIM.
Diba?
Why do you have 2 phones? For COD.
Oo,
For
sabi
COD.
Specific for COD only.
Yeah.
How to be Alexa?
No, dati
25, 21, I did.
25, 21.
Iyak din ako
lang.
nun.
24 lang naman tayo.
It's a K-drama.
Please sing. Rain, sing ka daw.
Killing me softly daw.
Stay tuned. KCC November 28. Doon na kayo
Ang saya
mag-watch.
naman nun.
Reply 1988. I watched that rain.
Sheila, matulog ka na, Sheila.
Sino si Sheila?
Hindi ko alam, sabi niya doon eh. Please, pag-good night kayo sa akin para matulog na ako.
Pero hindi ka na good night. Sabi
Ay,
mo
good
lang
night.
natulog.
Wala, grabe.
Good night, Sheila.
Inutusan lang.
Itaewon.
Yeah,
and
so watch
si
that.
Mami lang din na.
W also watched that. Halos lahat na pala pinapanood ko. Dr. Romantic napanood ko din.
I've seen some clips. Ano nga yung ginawa ni Jody Santa Maria? Yung World of the
World!
Married.
Yeah, you know, you watch
I've
that?
seen some clips lang. Kasi
That is
iconic yun, di ba? Yung
intense.
car scene.
Yeah.
Yung meet up with the
Oh, it's Han So-hee.
parents. Yeah.
Si gorgeous girl Han So-hee. Family by Choice. Oh, nasa Netflix ba yan lahat?
Ay, parang na ba?
Hospital Playlist. Yan, nasimulan ko din. Tapos nawala na. Kalimutan ko na. Saan ka mag-sleep, Rain? Sa bahay ko. Inampun ko na siya. Joke lang, tita. Baka sabihin ni mami mo, bakit sabi ni Alex, hindi ka na uuwi?
Di ba yung paalan dinner lang na?
Tama. Yung dinner inabot na ng 11.
Cute ni tita dyan. Okay. Ang bilis ka.
Ay, ang bilis ka usap po.
Ren, asa na daw yung mini vlog mo?
Ay, hindi ko pa na-edit eh.
I know, it's the editing eh. That's
Yeah.
hard.
It's overwhelming at first, but when you start doing it naman, tapos parang nakuha mo na yung groove, okay lang.
And hindi ko siya na-vlog ng maayos. I forget. Sorry, guys.
You need to buy a camera.
Yeah.
You know, the one that Dongpat has. The
Ah, na
Osmo.
ganun. Oo.
It's so good. So good, so good.
Do you vlog at Alexa?
I used to, pero grabe lahat na ata pinasok ko. Nag-YouTube channel din ako before.
Oh.
Yeah. Kasi I love makeup then. Makeup.
I saw clips.
I can
Makeup. Ay, may grades ba yan?
Yeah. And that's a good design. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ba't ikaw wala?
Meron. Ay, tayo din tatlo.
Yeah, may
Last
salamin ko din nandito. Ayan. Mga bulag.
Wala na nga ang solo dance. Mag-crop na lang kayo. I'm kidding. Soon.
Scarlet Heart?
Yeah, Scarlet Heart si Ayu na ganun.
I tried watching yung sikat na mermaid
Ay.
siya.
Legend of the Blue Sea.
I love that, sorry.
Oh, akala ko ba?
Tsaka,
Sige, kayo mo yan.
yung alien sila. Yung si alien si
Ah,
Peggy.
kaya mo yan. Sige, I know it.
My love from the sky!
yeah,
Oh my God, I saw that. I watched. Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ay, nakakainis tayo.
Oo nga.
Ang ingay
Sorry po,
natin.
sorry. But that was so good.
I know, oh my God.
Ang cute niya dun. Toto
Baby pa siya.
Junji
may
yun.
totoy.
Good favorite ko yung girl. Siya lang yung kilala ko, si Junji yun.
She's the highest paid actress
Yeah,
in
now.
Korea.
And si Kim So Yun
Yeah.
yung
Boy.
boy.
Bro.
Ay, oo nga.
Sana all.
OA Sisters, yes. Yes, OA
Pag
Sisters.
sungkol sa
Tatlo
K-drama.
na po.
Tatlo. Actually, Keisha now is OA na.
OA.
Kasi sa loob ng mga
Napapasigaw
Korea,
lang siya.
Mas nonchalant talaga si Keisha.
Nandiyan na si Keisha, pero OA siya.
Pero OA na. Oh, I think if you
She tried to be... Gusto niya kasi OA yung... gusto niya nonchalant, pero OA talaga siya.
Pwede naman yun. Two worlds colliding.
Queen of Tears, yes. Tapos na kami ni Rain. And then si Alexis watching.
Yes! But right now, medyo nababaliw ako sa Wicked! Wicked is the best.
So good. We watched pa 4DX.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
So like the wind.
Grabe yung
and
wind.
then
Uy,
the
nilamig
chair.
ako.
Nilamig yung mukha na.
Pag daya.
Pero kung hiluhin ka, is that
Ah,
the term?
okay,
Oo, wag.
So, you had 3D glasses?
No?
No, no, no.
Just the chair moving and the wind blowing on our face.
Because that's what I cannot, the 3D glasses.
Kasi nakakaduling
Yeah,
yung...
yeah, So gumagalaw din kayo? Defying gravity, slay.
I'm gonna rewatch.
I'm scheduled to watch it like 5 times already.
Oh,
Like
that's nice.
I have to watch. It is my life. It is my personality as of the moment.
Third ko na nood
Galanda.
4DX. Agree daw.
Kaya nga when I saw you, like, the Wicked, oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Yes! It's so happy. It's the best. Why do you always wear glasses?
Because I can't see without them.
Because of the top reason why people wear glasses.
Yeah. Hindi pa siya char-char.
Charge.
Totoo po siya.
Cute daw.
Chloe's crash landing on you, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we watched.
Yeah.
Huh?
Do you like horror?
Angel's Last Mission, I watched that.
No, how about you? You like horror?
Yeah, I'm fine. Pero I can't watch alone.
Oh, yeah. Let's baduy naman
Yeah.
din to watch horror alone. I love horror. Nag-Halloween ba sila dito, ate?
Hindi kami umabot. Big net kami nung
Ay, oo nga. Host ako.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko alam. Oo nga. Ano sa amin nun ng Halloween?
Ayun nga, na tayo pala yung nag-concert together.
Pero nag-ano, oo, kami.
I feel like a sweet, like a
Sugar
sugar.
on rock. If you wanna fight, I can turn the heat on.
Eh,
Hey.
yan na po ang sample na makukuha
Yun na po
niyo
yung
for
teaser.
Ano nga yun? What was our conversation nga before
Horror?
we got... Yeah, horror.
Dory!
Dory!
Oh, is that a cat or a mouse?
I think it's a cat.
Oh, what animal are you afraid of?
Oh.
Afraid?
I hate
Not
snakes.
naman afraid, but yeah, I don't like snakes. I think they're nasty.
Like you touch.
Oh,
I have touched. Like a picture ko na may nakabalot na snake. But I realized, yeah.
The one you wouldn't touch.
Sorry, insect siya eh.
What's that?
Spiders. I hate spiders.
Ooh, I'm not chill with spiders.
No, I can't.
I can't with snakes.
Daga.
Snakes talaga.
Daga.
Oh, daga is nasty. Pero snakes kasi parang
Slippery
kinakalabutan. Go. Parinig mo sa kanila.
Guys, narinig niyo yun?
Narinig niyo yun?
Tsaka pataas, pataas.
What? It's a singer. Wait, what? This is a singer.
Buti pa utot mo
Nag-whistle.
singer.
Nag-whistle.
Kala ko nadala ko
Hindi
dito.
naman umabot dito. Gone with the wind na yan.
Family ba yan?
Tinapat ko siya sa plant, guys.
Ano ba? Ano bang... Yeah.
Yeah, I don't wanna touch also like...
So like if I have friends, I have some friends who take care of snakes like as their pet. I'm not ever going to their house. Like I don't think.
Don't put.
Yeah, don't
Snakes
put
in love sa house.
Like a
Jesus.
snake.
Ang pangalan, Wings.
White,
Wings
a white
club?
one.
Jesus Christ.
Parang I can't. Imagine, I don't even wanna imagine.
My mom would die. Tsaka, oh my God, like it's free roaming around the house.
No naman, it's kept in a
In
safety, yeah. I don't know, like imagine...
Imagine talaga natin.
What if makawala?
Ikaw, what's ano?
Daga.
Daga.
Like,
Oh, so you're G with snakes.
yeah. I'm
True! Ay, nakakita ako ng dati. Sa tabi-tabi.
Oo nga, nakita ko one time. Oh my God. It makes me scared to walk na talaga. Oh, eh. But legit, I'm scared. Tapos yung what's in the box ko kay kuya, daga pa. Kala ko talaga patay na daga yun. Talaga, kaputol ko na kamay ko nun.
Do the wait trend.
Wait?
Wait! They don't love you like I love you. Wait!
Isang good night po. Asan daw si KD?
Asa puso ko, guys.
Oh!
Hey, slay!
Yes.
Hindi na kayo dito.
But realistically speaking, I think he's at home.
Playing.
Sabi ni
inggit.
Keisha, I'm inggit.
What?
Hindi niyo ako sinam. We tried
I'll
to
call
wait
Keisha.
for you.
Ang layo kasi ng fitting.
Alam, sabihin.
Oo, ngayon.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. Very.
Di ko dumagete no?
Not yan.
They don't love you like I love you. Wait.
Nasaan si Jen? Kanina, she was there kanina, but no more na. Rain's back.
Rain na to. Fave rom-com movie.
There's this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 friends.
I only have 3.
5 lucky friends.
I
It's
think this
just
was an
Sky,
accident.
Rain, and you.
And now, so you're gonna see my face every day if I update.
Lock it.
No.
Oh, you wanna have lucky
So
friends?
lock it.
Dati,
Ay! Okay, scared ako.
tingin din.
Kala ko,
Girl.
yeah, Locket.
So, parang mag-update lang kami ng mga photos.
You know Locket? I love Locket.
Is this what the kids use nowadays?
You know,
Careful.
yeah, for me, I got scared.
Wait.
Hindi ko ulit ito ba?
Wait.
Ay, fave rom-com movie mo?
50 First Dates.
Oh.
Tyler.
Gusto yung may kukaw. Sige.
Yeah. Madami din na hindi ko lang maalala.
Ano, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days?
I'm so uncultured.
Oh my gosh, you should... Oh my
I know.
gosh.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
All the girls
I hate
in
about
a
you.
day events, spotlight
That's
day
different.
events.
Pero maganda yun.
I was already watching it. Like, I was watching it already. And then, I think my mom wanted to watch something else. So, I stopped and I forgot to.
You should watch How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
You know, I like... Is it considered rom-com? You know, She's the Man. Amanda Bynes.
Yes, yes.
I love that.
Igupit ka na sana.
I love And you know, when I close my eyes, I see you for what you truly are. Ugly.
Ito ba yung ano, di ba? Soccer player siya?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tapos yung
Love
brother
that.
niya,
Ah,
yeah. Tapos
Oo.
nagpapalit siya. That was so...
Yeah.
Invite.
Oh my God!
Ako din sa kanya.
Ay, ito din! Okay! Ang sakit sa heart nun. Look at you!
Sabay-sabay pa kami nag...
Can you like get that, guys? I wanna see that again.
Itag niyo kami pag...
Sakit nun sa heart.
Oh,
Bakit nagaganon sila? What are you?
Dun sa
Ano
yeah.
ako?
Mahator.
Hindi ka nagulat? Gulat ako.
Alam mo, may clip ako nakita nung parang si Quanti Melay nag-voice over sa atin. And then biglang nagluluto ako, tapos sabi niya, kain na kayo, tapos nagulat ako. Pero yung ibang housemates nagulat sa akin. Hindi kay Quanti. Hindi,
Hawa-hawa
okay.
lang.
Hawa-hawa lang.
Hawa-hawa
Ganyan talaga.
Wait.
Si ano, rom-com, what else? Ano ba
Ba,
rom-com?
masabi niyo na eh.
Serendipity, is it a rom-com?
Oh my God, how could I...
Oh my God,
Serendipity,
I don't know
my favorite. That's a hopeless romantic.
I understand.
Oh, right?
I
Right?
understand.
You should watch Serendipity.
Alright.
So cute.
It's
Ate!
really nice.
Bakit naisip ko sabi mo 50 Shades of Grey?
Uy!
Hindi yun rom-com. Sabi ko sa ate, Pachi.
Grabe.
Yeah, 50 First Dates. 50 First Dates made me believe na may ganito talaga. Na
Ano
will...
nangyari doon?
50 First Dates made me believe in
Yung nangyari doon, di ba? So the girl has some amnesia. Like,
yeah,
like
parang
Dory.
every day nagre-research.
Yeah. She only remembers one day.
before
So-
she got an
Yeah, so every day she has to live that day like it's the only day she remembers. So the guy who fell in love with her had to reintroduce himself and make her fall in love with him.
every day.
Yeah.
Ay.
So
Kasi
good.
TikTok, napanood ko siya sa TikTok. Hindi ko siya napanood daw.
In fairness,
Yun, 50 First Dates, Serendipity. Actually, yung mga rom-com, yung mga ganun na films, it makes you believe so much in love. You know,
yeah. Actually, even if I watch K-drama, I'm watching Queen of Tears and I'm like,
really, may lalaki talaga na gaganinin ka.
Oh my God.
Like, would do everything
You haven't even
and
reached the
anything.
part yet.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
haven't.
God.
Yes, you're still in episode 5.
Oh my God.
Like,
in fairness, meron naman. Pero feeling ko si KD gano'n naman siya.
Ah.
So, okay lang.
Feeling ko ate just ganun ka na.
ganun lang, hanap mo na.
Tayo na lang muna.
So, yes, meron naman mga
May nahanap ka na eh, Katie.
may
Shout
mga
out to you, Katie.
ano yung rom-com
KD
guys
Lex.
in real life. Hey, happy
Hi, happy
weekend! Slay.
Slay. Kaya, ano pa bang mga rom-com?
Ang tanda
Oh,
ko,
favorite.
pero my best
You watch
friend's
this
wedding.
dystopia?
Oh, yes.
Oh
of
my gosh, my
course.
best friend's wedding. Si ano
Of
yan, di ba?
course.
Julia Roberts.
Julia Roberts.
Have you watched Notting Hill? I haven't watched
I haven't.
It's so... I'm just a girl.
I know. Standing in front
Front of a man asking him to love her.
This ain't Texas. I'm late.
Ah.
Nalit kami.
Hindi namin na-realize agad na may
Flip.
ganun pala.
Oh!
I have the book. I like
You had the book. It's the
so
book.
cute.
I just
like,
rewatched
better.
that. Ang cute
I
naman.
read it such a long time ago. I don't even remember.
We'll do that.
But most of the time, the book is always good.
Just your reaction. Sorry. Oh, see, guys, that's why if you bash me, like, you're so okay.
Facts. Facts. Facts only. Invite Kai. Where even is Kai? Did she reply?
I think she's on her way pa.
Oh my god, it's already 11. I want to watch The Substance. Joke lang, hindi ako ingit. Slight lang.
Where are you?
Let's just go out. Now I want to go tomorrow because you're going. Ah!
Oh, you can just go at the after party.
I'll just go knock on your rooms. Hi
Yeah,
guys, I'm here.
Actually,
Actually.
No, I'm shy.
Yay!
I'm shy. Ay, bakit tomorrow? Ano ba yan? Let's just go out.
Joke lang po, di ako inggit.
slight lang.
Slight lang.
Ooh, cute.
We
What time do you
are
guys
the
sleep at?
world.
10 things I hate about you.
What time do I
yes.
sleep? I have insomnia.
Post na for a picture, I'll screenshot.
Pag nag-post ng screenshot, dapat may this in Texas.
Ah, true.
Ay, pera pala yun. Never mind. No, hold on.
The proposal.
Who's the proposal again?
Sandra Bullock.
Oh, yeah,
And,
yeah.
Ryan
Ryan Reynolds. Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
That was
27 dresses.
Yeah, I watched that, but I don't remember that much. So.
It's cute, cutesy.
Gusto ko makalakuan, there's something about him. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Hindi ko na matanda.
Yung alin na.
Cameron Diaz.
Miss Congeniality, of course, of course.
Miss Congeniality, of
Oh,
course.
Sandra Bullock in that banging dress.
The blue one.
Was that blue or lavender?
Lab.
La-
You know,
Lilac?
Lilac.
Guys, send Teddy Bear. What? Love Rosie. Oh my god, how could I forget? That is my favorite too. Lily Collins. Have you watched Emily in Paris, the new one?
oh no.
Not at all.
Season.
It's cute. It's cute. It makes me want to go to Paris tomorrow, but with what money?
You can wear... You're gorgeous naman in anything that you wear. So,
Actually.
Emily in
Actually.
Paris.
ooh, teddy bear. 13 going 30.
Of course.
Ah,
Is that a rom-com? Is that considered?
Yeah,
The Fault in Our Stars. Yeah, of course.
The font is not, ano,
That's
rom-com.
drama.
However,
Si Okay,
Oo nga
okay. Ansel Charvalu Eklabu.
Yung saan? Ito yung bingo.
No, no.
13 going 30 is
It's Hulk.
Ay,
Mark.
Ruffalo.
Yeah. Nicholas Sparks. Oh, yes, of course, of course. We didn't mention any...
this ain't Texas!
Ang bilis na.
Iinis na si Ate Alexa.
ano yung movie ni... Rachel McAdams and...
the notebook.
yeah!
Ah.
But honestly,
oh my
I
god!
fell asleep.
Get in the water! Get in the water! I'm sorry, baby. Get in the water. Oh my god!
The transition. Dear John.
17 again? Yeah.
Oh,
This
it's
ain't Texas!
You know,
Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god!
Maya-maya ka bigla na teddy
Sorry,
bear.
don't say teddy bear!
Galing siyang...
Kaya nga, bilisan eh.
Nagulat ako kasi may teddy bear sa
May teddy bear bigla.
Hindi
Pretty
ko masyadong
woman.
kita
Yes.
na may teddy
A pretty woman.
Oh, ganda.
On the street.
All the
Oh,
bright
Pretty
places.
Woman, yeah. The
Oh my
iconic,
God,
no,
yeah.
she went in the store and
Yeah.
then she was just like,
Oh, she's so pretty.
you don't
bro.
belong. And then she
Big
shopped.
mistake. Big mistake.
Big mistake.
Clueless.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
But ang tagal ko, ano naman pinaka-favorite ko na I keep on rewatching?
What?
Parent Trap.
Oh, the best. That's the best.
And
The
Matilda.
best. Oh my god.
Oh, Matilda, yes.
Have you watched Ate Patch Matilda, the Broadway musical?
Ay!
They went here before. Eh. It was so good. So good. One of the best din. Train to Busan, hindi po yung rom-com. Parang
Huwag niya inisin.
nagkaka...
Samok! I get scared na ba?
Parang nagkakainan sila doon in a bad way.
Rom-com. Bakit? No more.
Ano pa bang mga rom-com?
Purple Heart.
They don't make movies like that na, no?
Cute yun.
Yeah, actually, man.
If I had so much money, I would produce like
that's so cute.
those types of those types of 50 First Dates. Yes, of course.
A Walk to Remember.
Oh my
God.
Oh my, that ain't rom-com,
You know
but like...
my favorite rom-com?
My Little-
Twilight. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Twilight was so good when I was...
Grabe, it was like the first book, one of the first books I finished, Twilight, the whole series. And I used to have an obsession with Kristen Stewart.
Oh.
Yeah,
The kissing
Katie
booth.
Lex.
Kissing booth.
Kissing booth.
Kissing booth.
Oh,
Yes, I Texas.
Joey King.
Ay, di ba mo na
Joey King and
And ang gwapo niya.
the tall...
What's his name?
Jacob Elordi.
Jacob Elordi.
The man with the purse.
You watch Euphoria?
Yes, the man with the
Ah,
yes, I watched
Euphoria, yeah. The man with the purse. Why him? Why who? This ain't Texas.
Texas.
They don't
Alright.
hold. Warm
Warm
bodies.
bodies.
Oh, that's nice then.
Ito ba yung si Vanessa Hudgens? Or iba
No,
to?
no, no. It was like they were
Katrina.
zombies that
Yes.
fell in love, I guess. So you don't watch
The
horror?
last song, not so much.
Miley Cyrus.
The last song talaga, I bawled my eyes out. Like,
The last
grabe.
song is where she sang
Yung
When I
namatay ang
Met
dad
You.
niya, yes.
Oh my god. I love that.
Namatay ang dad niya.
Oh my god, Corpse Bride. Nobody knows Corpse Bride. Like, I know
God.
Corpse Bride. Corpse Bride is my jam. That was my Halloween costume.
Podcast kayo. I want podcast yo.
Last. Huwag tayo mag-podcast pa na isigaw ang mangyayari
Oo nga
sa
pala.
pabibing yung
This
mga
ain't Texas.
Bro!
I don't hold. Uy, alam mo, magkano na nang naipon mo dito sa mga sa Texas nila.
Texas yun kasi.
Don't worry, guys.
It's so cute. Have you seen
Oh,
that?
yeah. I have.
Tuturuan ko siya mag-cash out. Isisend ko sa akin. Charot.
I haven't seen Exo Kitty, but then,
Not yet.
to all the boys, of course.
Of course.
Ah, cute.
What else? I
Yeah,
love
dear.
ako
Get type
I
si
love
Miss
horror
Ate
so
Patch.
bad.
I
love horror.
don't. Gabi kasi ako, takutin talaga ako.
Ako din, sobra. Pero, it's so fun eh. Walang thrill ang life pag hindi ka
True,
naduduwag.
yeah.
Parang,
Do you
are
like
we gonna
ano?
sleep tonight? I don't know.
Do you like rides?
I love
Roller coasters?
rides. Yes,
Yeah.
I love.
Oh my God, we should all
We
go
should
together
go.
pala. Wow!
Queen,
Ano yun?
Queen of Tears. Char.
Ay,
If you guys want rides, like crazy roller coasters, you can do that. I went to Japan. It's called Fuji Q. Bro, the
Is it crazier than Universal Studios?
Bro,
na,
malayo.
Like the fastest
Oh,
roller
really?
coaster?
This is legit. This
Thank you
you
po.
feel like your head is still up in the sky
You're
and
so
your
nice
body is.
naman.
It's crazy, crazy.
Kasi di ba yung sa Singapore na it was already one of the fastest?
Nag-work.
No, this
Thank you.
This is the most intense talaga. Like
Whoa.
crazy.
Ang galing.
What I love.
Fuji Q.
Fuji Q.
It was
Oh, we should go
so
together.
intense. It's so intense. Sana nasa tabi-tabi lang yung Fuji Q
Alright.
so we can go together.
Sana din cheap lang yung ticket papunta
Kaya
dun
nga
na.
sabi ko sa tabi-tabi na. I love those rides. I
Tabi-tabi
love
Wendy.
rides.
Ano rides?
I'm gonna make you watch.
Space
I went to
between
Disneyland a few.
Anong City of Angels? Kaya ano?
Ay, City of the Angel. Action natin. Home Alone. I love Home Alone.
Home Alone, yes.
I
Of
watch
course,
Home
that's
Alone every
Always,
Christmas.
every Christmas.
Home Alone, the
And
realest.
Christmas with the Franks.
Home Alone, the realest lang ang alam ko.
Christmas with the Franks? Tama ba yung
Home Alone
title to?
talaga ako.
Christmas with the Franks?
Home Alone 1, 2. I watch it all the time.
Tama ba? Hindi ko na alam.
I
Hi,
totally
Princess,
forgot.
Princess Diaries.
Yes.
Oh, yes, of course.
It's Parent Trap and Princess Diaries, yung lagi kong pinapanood.
Comfort movies. Comfort
Comfort
movies.
movies.
Ako, comfort movie ko, Corpse Bride. What's your comfort movie?
Home Alone.
Corpse Bride.
Home Alone.
I cosplay ba?
Ang comfort niya sa akin, ano yung crime movies, Master of Kid.
Ate, text mo ako, marinig mo yung ringtone ko. In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. Law and order.
That's your, ano?
Pampakal.
Yun yung ringtone ko. Yung isang phone ko, Animal Crossing. Yung isa, Law and Order.
Two different personalities.
Yes. Lizzie McGuire. Oh my God, yes.
Oh yeah, Lizzie
McGuire.
Favorite ko.
Mamma Mia.
Mamma
Okay
Mia.
lang.
I love the scenery, I love everything.
Oh yeah, of
The
course. It makes you
songs.
want to go to wherever
Yeah.
they are. But after watching Wicked,
Enrique Hill!
it has stopped.
You met Enrique
Yeah.
Hill?
Yeah.
Crazy, Kuya Eric.
Kasi he was gikan ko ano nun.
Enrique Hill is... Oh, yeah, he's from Cebu.
Yeah.
Hindi kami nag-apakit. Anyway.
Alright. Sorry.
Big Bang
Sino yung
Theory.
naka-red sa gilid?
Hulaan
Someone
mo.
call-
Hulaan nyo, bawal ang tamang sagot.
Guni-guni mo lang to.
Ah, may naka-red ba?
Huh?
Wala
Parang
ata.
wala.
Sabi niya mga baliw.
This summer I turned pretty.
No, I have not watched.
I watched
summer I
it.
turned
I watched
pretty.
it. Yung
But it's a
ano,
book.
Team
Yeah, it's a book. I read
Jeremiah
the
or
book.
Team Conrad, ganon.
I don't know that.
I'm Team Conrad. Ikaw ni Ate Jessie, yes. Ikaw ko po.
Bigay mo na nga yung hikaw mo dito. Hingi lang hingi ng mga hikaw to.
Oo, kasi isa na lang daw. Nasa isa kong bag, guys. Nasa kotse.
Attend daw ba tayo ulit ng Beaver sa February? Oh,
I will
susunduin
try.
ko na kayo.
Alright.
Let's
Ako
go,
na ako na
let's
yung
go.
school bus. Wala pa tayong ticket. Bibili pa muna tayo. Kailan ba ang ticket selling?
Ayun, wala ako.
I'm going.
Let's go.
Yeah, we have our lights
I'm gonna ready to lose my voice
I will
again.
get light stick.
Lights.
I can't wait for their new merch.
I actually lost my voice as I got scared for Bataan.
Killing me softly ka pa.
Tapos di ko pa marinig yung boses ko. Sige na lang, laro!
Hey,
Listen,
hey,
Texas.
Alright.
Ano?
Have you watched Hello Love Again? I have.
Yeah!
I have.
No.
Cat is so good, Alden.
I haven't watched yet.
Galit!
Yes, I watched. Ano ka na?
Wala ko'y wala ko'y cup.
Ako!
Ah, si Alexa.
Wow, meron si Ate Colette!
Kumain ka na?
Ano yan?
Sino ba ibang
Sushi.
R?
Kumain ka
Sushi,
na?
kain ka.
Oo naman.
Go, go.
You ate na?
Wala
dinner?
namin yan. Halang ng orange. Pero lami.
Hindi naman mo.
Hindi siya maga.
You ate na dinner, ate?
For them.
Wala pa?
Oo.
Kakatapos mo lang?
And then, umalis ka na nang galing ka na sa billboard. Hala,
Mabibillboard ka.
anong time na? Late ka
Ay,
na.
you ate, andun.
May billboard pa?
11 na eh.
Kasi 10 lang yung billboard.
Gusto ko yung alam na natin yung schedule.
Alam na namin ang schedule ng lahat.
Yung High School Musical. Of course, High School Musical.
Of course.
Who's your bias in High School Musical? Are you Team Gabrielle or Sharpay?
Oh, growing up, I was Team Gabriela.
Bye.
Bye-bye, I love you.
Bye! Bye!
Ingat, enjoy.
Legit stop by.
But now,
Buti
that
may
I'm
caption.
older, I'm like,
I get it. Sharpay. Sharpay all the way. Have you watched Camp Rock? It's like we're
Of
going,
course.
it's like we're going time traveling to the past.
of course, Camp Rock.
Camp Rock.
Oh, I wanna do that.
Saan daw si Colette? Ayun, kakaalis lang.
Babay na.
Dumating na si Colette. May...
Kala kong ano yung papanig.
The
that?
showdown. Oh, showdown daw kayo, guys.
Go to Jazz. Dear future.
Sa'yo na lang, guys.
Coraline. Oh my God, I love
yeah.
Coraline. I love
But I got scared first time I watched Coraline. I was really
because of the
scared.
mother.
Because of the mother. You know the traumatic scene for me is the button.
The eye button.
The eye button. It's so traumatic.
Yeah, I get it.
As a kid, no way.
I love Coraline. Coraline.
Coraline.
Is that Alexa?
Di ba yung
Depends on who's
eye button
asking.
at the patch?
Wicked. I love Wicked. Monte Carlo sila. Oh, I haven't watched
Monte
that.
Carlo. You should. It's so
I know.
nice. The guy there
Cinderella
is so
story
pogi.
yung na-watch.
The guy there is so pogi.
Beetlejuice, of course.
Notting Hill, yes.
You just said it kanina.
I love Notting Hill. What's Two Hearts? Ito ba yung ano? Binigay niya yung heart. Namatay siya, tapos yung heart niya nasa isang tao. No, tapos nagka-inlovean sila.
Paano nipatay na siya?
No, like, namatay siya, pero may isang, like, transplant yung heart to
Okay.
another person. And then nag-meet sila ng girlfriend or fiancé. And then parang naging isang, I don't know if tama ba ako.
Heart wants what it wants. Okay, let's stop talking about movies. Let's talk about music.
Okay.
Who's your
Music.
favorite artist? International.
I would. Oh, wow.
What are you into ba? Like, genre?
A lot eh.
I
Very
usually
genre
listen to
neutral naman.
anything. I think I
At the
can.
moment. At the moment.
At the moment, BTS pa rin.
Housemate.
Bias naman Ate Patch.
Ano sabi niya?
Kayo daw, Gen 11 housemates.
Sila.
How about you, Rain? Who's your favorite at the moment international artist?
International. Daniel.
Caesar?
No, Caesar.
Ariana. Like that.
Taylor Swift.
Of course.
Hail Caesar.
Bruno Mars pa rin.
Bruno
Oh my
Mars.
God.
Timeless talaga.
Have you watched this concert?
You have?
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here.
Yes.
I'm a concert goer.
Actually.
Concert goer talaga. Like,
So like if I'm a beach goer, mountain, ikaw concert.
Ay, gusto ko din to eh.
too bad it's so
Wala
far,
akong pera
Philippine
eh.
Arena.
Oh my God.
Ako doon naubos yung money ko. Concert.
Frank Ocean.
Oh, Frank
Oh,
Ocean.
yeah.
Love. Grabe. I love songs.
I love
Oh,
songs.
and-
It's so
ano yung
hard. I love
concert?
music.
Locked Out of Heaven.
Ko naman
Kita ko yung
alam.
mga clips eh.
Check ko yung...
Yeah.
Cannot just stay here.
Yeah. Spend the
Ayan o,
rest
Bruno
of the-
Mars. This is the
Oh,
highlight.
yes. Oh.
1975.
What? You with Blackpink?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, I was so near to them, honestly.
Oh, loco.
Yeah.
loko!
Then I was
No
so near.
way!
Then when they went back, I saw them again. Saw them 2 times na. That was the
No
first.
way.
And then this was
Crazy.
the second. I was so close. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
See, so
Good job.
close.
Oh my God, you saw them. Crazy God.
Isa na lang hikaw mo.
Coldplay also.
Yes! On,
Damn, I
I
want
saw
to
Taylor
watch
Swift also.
Coldplay talaga.
Yung mga
Oo,
nila-
nag-Dua Lipa ka.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I love. Dua talaga yung sobrang
Yeah, I know.
favorite.
I can tell in her stories like, oh, she's a fan.
Hindi, nag-Dua Lipa ka the one she was... Di ba she was here like
Yeah,
2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks ago. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
8 Roses.
Fan ka mo ng BTS? Yes. Oh, yeah.
Rain Kill and clothing line mo. Wala pa kong mutin.
Best concert experience.
Ikaw, best concert. I've only been to Beanie Verse.
Oh, me too.
Oh, I went to Sarah Geronimo's concert before.
Slay.
And Vice Ganda.
Slay!
Vice Ganda went to Dumaguete before.
Panis. Boom, boom, panis.
What's your concert? As a maraming
Yeah.
collection.
Taylor Swift and Coldplay. Tie for me.
Wow, Coldplay talaga. I really want.
Iba yung,
Look
I
at
don't know,
the
like,
stars.
grabe yun, nag-cry ako. First time ko mag-cry sa concert when I saw Coldplay.
I cried in Beanie.
Slay! Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
That song hits different now because of PBB.
Yeah, I know, right? Lahi na. Iba yun. Katabi pa natin yung host. Dito muna.
Michael Jackson. Oh, you watched Michael Jackson? Oh my
Hello?
God.
Oh my gosh, I love Michael Jackson. I remember I was grade 4
Sobrang
when Michael
swerte.
Jackson died. Crazy time.
I was so obsessed with Michael Jackson.
How old are you po?
na I
Man in
collected-
the Mirror is my favorite song.
Ako, do you remember
Eh.
when we fell in love?
Yes, Ariana Grande.
Buzz tour ni Nicki. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Sinong crush mo daw, Rain? Ako.
True.
Para walang away, guys.
Oh.
It's me. I'm the one you want. It's me. So if you care to find me, look to the western sky.
You 3 should go Coachella. Are you
I
ready
would
to?
want to go to
I know.
Coachella. That has been a dream.
Dream.
of mine.
With what money?
It's gonna happen, please.
Yeah,
with what
2026.
It's gonna happen.
With what money?
Yeah,
It's gonna happen.
it's gonna happen.
No, I'm super regretting lang kasi I always say, okay, I'm gonna go to Coachella if I really love the
Artist.
Artist.
Syempre, it's so expensive, no? Flight, where to stay, the outfit.
Everything in Coachella is very
Yeah, I
expensive.
know.
My older brother went last year.
He always Doja Cat?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, damn.
My older brother and yung fiancé niya, they always go to like Coachellas. And then like they always tell me that it's so expensive. But they love going to music festivals.
Well, no, whatever makes you happy, di ba?
Yeah.
If you got
Good
the
naman
money,
eh.
go.
Sana
I
mo
would, I
weekend.
would.
Yes, tapos na kami nanonood ng weekend,
Yeah.
guys. We both
Popular.
watched. And then Alexa also watched. But she's gonna watch again.
Popular. Musical festival. I know. Yun ang gusto ko ma-experience, festival. Not,
Yeah.
not just a concert. Ang favorite artist ko din super si Doja Cat.
And your cat's name is Doja.
Yeah, but too bad she's a mean kitty.
What about you, Alexa, girl crush?
What about me? Ah, my crush?
Yeah, who's your girl crush?
Sobrang dami.
True.
Sa local? Sa local
be.
right now, it's Bini Mika. Like, just straight up gay for Bini Mika. Yes.
Pag ayaw.
Sino ba international? Wala akong naisip. Pero
Who's
may,
your bias in Blackpink?
you know, wala akong bias sa Blackpink. Parang, I like them all.
True,
like
true, true.
together.
Yeah. They're just, parang
Yeah,
Beanie and
parang-
Blackpink ang
parang
hirap.
together, they have to be together forever.
Yeah.
So if you care to find me.
BTS, do you watch BTS? You like BTS?
Don't know them. I know.
It's fine, it's
I'm
fine.
uncultured.
I'm
I know BTS, but like I don't
Yeah, I
know.
know.
You know them.
Individually,
Their
yeah, yeah.
Okay. You don't know which
But
is
my cousins, titas, obsessed with BTS.
Tita.
Lee Jungkook.
Yes.
I love Jungkook.
Yeah, I always hear that name, Jungkook.
Taeyong.
Taehoon.
Mm,
Si Hobi.
yeah.
Yeah.
Shout
Basta
out
color
taga
violet,
Consolation.
ganon.
Cookie.
Pero favorite ko, ang first favorite ko Korean group is 21.
Oh.
Ay, hindi. Girls' Generation and then 21.
Saan ba dyan si ano? Sandra?
21.
Sandara Park.
21. 21.
Are you a fan of One Direction?
Yes, I was a diehard.
Ako naman, I was a super believer.
Oh.
So when I was
yes.
a kid,
I thought I would marry Justin Bieber.
For you.
honestly,
I would
I
do
thought I could do.
whatever.
I thought I had a chance. Like I believed that all he needed to do was to see me, and we're getting married. Like I just know if he saw me, one less lonely girl for real.
One less lonely
Yes,
girl.
diba? Eh, diba yung,
One
I don't know
lonely
if it's
girl.
David, pero diba Jasmine
One
yung
less lonely girl.
name nung,
Jasmine Villegas.
yes, yung leading lady. She's half Filipino, right?
Ingit na ingit ako sa babae.
Ako din, sabi ko, Jasmine, there's a chance kami
There's a
talaga dalawa.
Jasmine. He likes Jasmine girls.
Yes, Jasmine girls. Now he's married to Hailey Bieber.
Ay, not to me. What the hell?
But it's crazy. But I would marry just the young Justin Bieber.
You.
I love him so much.
love
Kahit
Justin
kailan.
Sino pa yung mga ano? Oh, I love Jonas
So,
Brothers.
oh my God, when you look me. Dati pag pumapasok ko sa school, tas umuulan, makikinig ako ng when you look me. Tas feeling ko talaga, may dinededicate akong dun sa song na yun.
Grabe.
Tell me
I
that
love
you
Jonas
love me.
Naalala ko pag grade 2 ako, yung best friend ko na guy, nag-print pa talaga siya ng lyrics ng,
Oh my God, nagpe-print pa tayo ng lyrics.
Nag-print pa tayo ng lyrics ng,
naabutan ko
naabutan
yun.
niyo na ba yun, guys? I don't know sa
Naabutan
mga
ko
nag-watch na
Dati,
yun.
kasi-
May isa pa akong folder ko, ang dami.
Diba yung
Oo,
mga lyrics?
pinapasok mo yung lyrics.
Dati, nakatira kasi kami sa condo, second floor kami, tapos sa baba may basketball court. Tapos pag may crush ako sa basketball court, kakanta ako through the window ng Lady Gaga. Okay, ng Katy Perry.
Ayun!
So, yung mga favorite ko nun eh.
Wow.
Tapos feeling ko lang na...
Shoutout sa mga
sinaserenade.
kinantahan ni Ate Alexa before.
Oo.
Hindi ko na sila kilala.
Na ako.
I don't know their names
Or
anymore.
at least, masasabi nila na, nakantahan ako ng
I
isang
don't
Alexa
think
Ilagan.
nakita nilang ako yun. Basta naiirita na lang sila. Sino mo itong maingay? May kumakanta ng Bad Romance sa second floor.
Bad romance!
Westlife. Sorry, I'm a Westlife
Ah.
fan.
What's life?
Uptown girl.
Down world. FM Static, oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Tonight
Little
I'm
Mix.
for Little Mix. Why can't you hold me?